I'd take a rocket ship to some planet that no one's been to, and the people there would love me, and I'd teach them about electricity and astronomy and long division. And if I had some time left, I'd stop in and see what's cooking in the Little Dipper. Bing, bing. Okay, then the Big Dipper. 5, 4, 3, 2,